Is your computer running slow due to high CPU usage? Let's fix that. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix 100% CPU usage on Windows 10. The first step is restart your computer. First, try restarting your computer. This can often resolve temporary issues causing high CPU usage. To do that, you have to click on Windows icon and click again power icon and just tap on restart. This will restart your computer. Then after you can check is that still 100% usage or not. Step number 2 is update to your drivers. Make sure your drivers are up to date. To check that, we have to go to Windows icon, then tap on setting. Then you need to tap on last option, update and security. Then tap on Windows update. In my case, my system is up to date. If you need to manually check your updates, you have to click on check for updates. It will check is there anything remaining update, then it will update it to latest version. Then it will reduce your CPU usage below 100%. Okay. Third step is scan for malware. Malware can cause high CPU usage. Use Windows Defender or another antivirus software to scan your system. In Windows 10, by default, Windows Defender is here. You have to search on Windows Defender. It is in Windows Security. Just tap on it. And the first option is virus and threat protection. Just tap on it. And you can see there's an option called quick scan. You have to just tap on that button, then it will scan your computer. And this is a quick scan, so it will not too much time to check your system. Then after, it will fix some malware issues affected for high CPU usage. It will fix. Okay, so that is the step number 3. The step number 4 is disable background processes. For disable that processes, you have to right click on your taskbar, then go to task manager, and the first tab is processes. Under that, you can see what are the apps currently running on your Windows PC and percentage of affection to the CPU. Now in my case, Camtasia, Firefox, Microsoft Word are running. The Camtasia is highest amount affected for CPU, but I can't close that because I am currently using it. If you see any you are not using software is cause for high amount of percentage, just tap on it and tap on end task. It will close that process running. That is step number 4. Step number 5 is disable system main. System main can sometimes cause high CPU usage. To disable that, we have to press Windows plus R. It will open run, and you have to type services.msc. Sorry about that. Services.msc and hit enter. Okay, now it is open services menu. You have to find sys main in this menu. Go to scroll down until I found S section. Okay, you can see this is the file we need to find, and just right click on it and tap on stop, and it will show stopping that application. Now you can see the CPU usage will be reduced. That is step number 5. Step number 6 is adjust power setting. Set your power plan to high performance to reduce CPU usage. To do that, you have to search for control panel. The first option is here. Then go to hardware and sound and power options. Tap on it. Okay. Now it is set to balance mode. You have to click on change plan setting and change advanced power setting. Okay, now it is in balance mode. Okay, cancel it. Go back. And you can see the third option is create a power plan. Just tap on it. And there are 3 options here: balanced, power saver and high performance. You have to tap on high performance and you can rename whatever you like and just tap on next. And you can adjust the system. Turn off display time is 10 minutes. Plug in, if you plug in 15 minutes. Complete sleep never. Okay, I like to keep these things as it is. Then just tap on create. Okay, now I am in high performance mode. This also reduce high CPU usage. That is step number 6. Step number 7 is disable startup programs. Prevent unnecessary programs from starting up with Windows. To do that, you have to again open Task Manager. For that, right click on Task Bar, tap on Task Manager, go to Startup tab here, and these are the application venue effect for startup. If you don't need some application, you just tap on that icon and you can disable it. Currently it is disabled, so that's why this is called enable. You can see enabled one here and disabled one here, and this one I don't need to enable, so I tap on disable. Okay, now it is disabled. This also has helped to reduce CPU usage. Step number 8 is turn off Windows notification. To turn off Windows notification, you have to go to setting by clicking Windows and then go to setting, and you have to go to first option, the system, and notifications and actions. And currently it is turned on. If you reduce your CPU usage, you just tap on this, then it will turn off. It also help to reduce CPU usage. And close. Okay, step number 9 is reinstall Windows. If all else fail, consider reinstalling Windows to start fresh, but this is very difficult process, so I hope you can reduce CPU usage by following previous steps. If not, you need to reinstall your Windows. Okay, so to fix high CPU usage, you have to restart your computer, drivers, scan for malware, follow the other steps we discussed. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you very much.